G'day, Paul here from the Battle of Waterloo Gel Blaster channel. Just thought I might show you some of my toys. This is a M870 shotgun, the M4 Punisher, the HK416, and also my Kris Vector that I have turned into a sidearm. I made a pouch out of a piece of plastic. It slides into the one of the rails, and also has a clip that goes around the handle. And they have an internal hopper that holds about 200, and I made this hopper out of a piece of PVC pipe and painted it black, and I estimate that holds about 600, so about 800 shots. Okay, well, I'm at the shooting range and I'm gonna do a bit of shooting. Okay, we'll start off with the M870. I brought this gun to modify. It shoots 11 to 13 mil balls, so they're a big ball. It does, you know, it's alright for what it is. I'll put a heavier spring in it and get it to shoot only one gel ball, because at the moment it shoots 2 to 3 at a time. When it shoots one, it will probably shoot around 25 meters, but it doesn't do that all the time. Okay, let's go. Yeah, it's making a liar out of me at the moment. It's only shooting about 20 meters. If you see, she always shoots more than one ball. Okay, this is my Kris Vector. It's the first gel blaster I brought. Paid a little bit too much for it. It used to have a stock, an extension barrel, but the extension barrel done nothing. There was nothing in there. And the stock was as flimsy as. So I thought, what can I do with it? I'll turn it into a sidearm. Put the hopper on the top and a 11 volt battery, just to increase the rate, but you know, it is what it is. You get 20 meters, 25. burnt out a motor in it once before, so when I pulled the gearbox apart I stretched the spring to try to give it a bit more, but it's pretty much a spray and pray sort of gun. It's good for close range. That's about it. You know, what's that, 5 metres, 10 metres. This is my latest addition. It's the HK416. I brought this because it had the double drum mag, was one of the main reasons I got it. Because I don't like refilling mags in skirmishes, and being a V2, it's not too bad. Alright, let's shoot it. You see, she's not too bad for what it is. Here I am again, like, yeah, this 5 metres, we're at the 10 metre mark, so that's 15, so 5 metres. And I'm out. Yep, I'm out. Yeah, I only half filled the mag. I didn't think I would use it all, but half filled half a drum mag. Okay, do 5 metres. And then 10 metres. Yeah, it's not too bad. I'm pretty happy with it. It's good for a skirmish. Alright, this is my M4 Punisher. This is my favourite toy. I've put a hop up on the end here and also an aluminium barrel on it. That's the only modification I got on it. And yeah, you've probably seen that in another video I've done. And let's shoot it. As you can see, she's not too bad for what it is. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video, and hope to see you soon at the next Battle for Waterloo Gel Blaster event. And feel free to come over and test out your gun on the shooting range. It'll be set up. That's it. Bye for now.